Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert USDC to USDT on OKX exchange. In order to do this, you will have to first launch your OKX mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on this square tab in the top left hand corner. After that, you just have to scroll down and in the trade section, you are going to see the option of convert. So you need to tap on convert and then you will be landed on this convert page. Now over here in the from section, you will have to select USDC. In order to do this, you will have to tap on this top arrow button and after that you will have to select USDC. Then in the to section, you will have to select it as USDT. After that, you need to enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into USDT. Then you need to tap on the conversion button in the bottom. And on the next page, you need to conclude your conversion. This way you will be able to easily convert USDC to USDT. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.